children, beta today in previous period we have completed till exercise 16.1 and in that exercise you have learned about the mean. Okay, how to take out the mean of the given observation. Today's class we are going to learn that median. Median means beta middlemost value, means whatever observations we have to given, then what will be the middlemost value of that observation. If we find this by the means in a form of statistics. Okay, so this is known as the median. Okay, here we will have two methods to calculate the median. If the observation are in even numbers, okay, means even numbers of observation are given to us, and if the odd number of observations are given to us. Even numbers means doesn't mean that only the even numbers will be given to us. Means even numbers means whether the observation are given to us. Suppose 13 observation we are having, so 13 is an odd number, so for that another formula will be there. If suppose 10 observations are given to us, at that time another formula we will apply to calculate the median. Now see that beta in today first of all you should know about the median. Okay, median. Median is defined as middle value of the data. When the data is arranged when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order or descending order, this is known as the median. Okay, now see that if there are two ways to find the median. First one is for odd number of observations. If the observations are given in the odd number, at that time median will be n plus 1 upon 2 2h term. Here I have written that th now on the above the bracket. Th term will be as the median. Th term will be as the median. Or if for even number of observations, okay, even number of observations. See that for this median is equal to n upon 2h term plus n plus 1 upon 2h term, okay, divided by 2. Whatever will come, that will be the median. These are two important formulas. If you will keep them in your mind, then you will not have any problem to understand this topic. Okay, it is not very difficult topic, it is very easy or simple topic. Only these two formulas are there to find the median. Okay, now we are coming to the exercise 16.2, that is question number first. We have to given find the median of see that in A part we have given 3, 2, 5, 1, 7, 1, 4, 9 and 2. Okay beta, first of all what will be step first? To arrange the data in ascending order. I am arranging in ascending. You can arrange them in descending order also. Okay, arrange data in ascending order. So what will be ascending order? Start from the smaller one. 1. How many 1 are there? Then another 1. Then 2. 2 times 2 is there. Okay. Then 3. 1 times. 4. 1 time. 5. 1 time. Then 7. 1 time. And then 9. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see that here 9 observations are there. Okay. So what is the value of n? N is equal to 9. And what is this? Odd. So which formula we can apply? This one. Okay. So how you will calculate median now? See that I am going to calculate median now. Okay. So median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2x term. 2x term. So what is the value of n beta? 9. So 9 plus 1 upon 2. 2x term. Okay. So see that 9 plus 1 means 10 upon 2x term. So 10 upon 2 means 5th term will be as your median. So what will be median now? So median is equal to means whatever you have arranged the data in the ascending order. Now see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be your median? Median will be equal to 3. So see that how much simply you can find the median. Okay beta. Now some more part of the question we are going to do that now. Now see that beta, be part of this question. Okay. And we are going to arrange first of all the data in ascending order. Okay. Arrange data in ascending order. So it will be the smallest number is 10. So first both the 10 will come. Then 13. Then 14. After 14, which is the next number? 15. Then 17. Then 19. Okay. Then 20. Afterwards 23 2 times is there. And sorry, after 20 21 is there. Then 23. Okay. Till here they are. Now count them whether all the numbers are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So what is the value of n? N is equal to 11. What is this? This is odd number. So what will be the median? Median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2x term. So n plus 1 means this will be 11 plus 1 upon 2. 2x term will be as median. 11 plus 1 means 12 upon 2. 2x term. Okay. So it will be 6 term. So finally what will be median? So median is equal to, now see that what is the 6th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is middle most term it means. Okay. So what will be your answer? Median will be as 17. Okay. So this will be your answer. So in this way you can find the median for the odd number. Okay. Now we are proceeding to the next part. See that beta. Now this is question number 2, A part. Okay. And in this question, first of all always count the term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here n is equal to 6 is there. Okay. So n is equal to 6 means it is even. So this time even the median we will calculate by the formula of the even one. Okay. So first of all arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, arrange the data in ascending order. So arrange it first of all, which number will come? 68. Then afterward 78. Then 68, 78. Then 81. Then 91. Then 95 or 100. It's an ascending order now. N is equal to 6, even number is there, so median is equal to n upon 2x term plus n upon 2 plus 1h term divided by 2. Children are being confused always over here. They are writing n upon 2 plus 1. This is plus 1 is away from. And in while we were doing for the odd, at that time we were doing n plus 1 upon 2. 2h term. In this way I was writing. Maybe anybody of you have paid attention over here. Okay, so it is both the things are different. Here first of all we are dividing and then plus 1 we are adding. Here in odd case we are first of all we are adding and then we are dividing. So focus over here also. Okay, both the terms here, there is a difference between them. Now see that n upon 2h term means, n means how much beta? 6. 6 upon 2. 2h term plus n upon 2. n upon 2 again. 6 upon 2 plus 1h term divided by 2. So 6 upon 2 means third term plus 6 upon 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. Fourth term divided by 2 means whatever will come that will be as median. Okay, it means with a third term what is, now whatever data you have arranged in ascending order, go on that, not on the previous given data. Means whatever data you have arranged, from the arranged data you will take this third term and fourth term. See that now third term is 81, fourth term is 91 divided by 2. This will be as your median. So 1 plus 1, 2, 9 plus 8, 17 upon 2. So median is equal to 2 8 ja 16 or 2 6 ja 12. So median will be equal to 86. So in this way we will calculate. See that one more time I am explaining it beta. Okay, how we will do? First of all, whatever data is given to you, you will arrange that data in ascending order. Afterwards you will apply the formula, because this time in question number 2 we have given even number of cases. Okay, maybe in all the parts even numbers of cases will be there. So in each part of that question you will apply that formula. So median is equal to n upon 2h term plus n upon 2 plus 1h term divided by 2. This is the formula for the even number. So median is equal to, this time n is equal to 6 we have, 6 terms are there. So 6 upon 2h term plus 6 upon 2 plus 1h term divided by 2. 6 upon 2 means third term. 6 upon 2 means 3 or 3 plus 1 means fourth term divided by 2. So now see in your arranged data, what is the third and fourth term? Third term is 81 and fourth term is 91. So the addition of both of the terms will become, it is coming equal to 172 divided by 2. So median is coming equal to 86. So in this way we will do this, means this types of question. Both the types of the question we have discussed here. Okay. So one more part I am going to do. One more part from this question I am going to do on the board, and then the third one part from this question also you will do yourself. As one part I have left for you from question number first, and one part I am going to leave from the question number 2 also. Okay beta. See that beta. Now the B part of the question is 10, 32, 12, 45, 23, 22, 67, 78, 54 and 36. How many observations are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So n is equal to beta 10. And n is equal to 10 is even. So it means the same formula will be applied here. So I am not going to rub it. Now arrange the data in ascending order. Okay. So arrange them in ascending order. First which number will come? 10. Then second 12. Okay. 12. Then 22. Maybe afterwards 22 is there. 22. Then 23. Then 32. Then 36. Afterwards 36. 45 is there. Okay. So after 45, 54 is there. Then after 54, 67 and 78. Now see that they are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. It means all the terms has come now. So what will be n upon 2? What is the value of n? Now 10 upon 2h term plus 10 upon 2 plus 1h term. So when 10 upon 2 will be divided, which term will come? Fifth term. Fifth term plus 10 upon 2 means 5. 5 plus 1 means 6th term. 6th term divided by 2. Now see that fifth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth term is 32 and 6th term is 36. So write them now. Okay, from the arranged data. Many times the children are doing the mistake. They are taking these terms from the unarranged, means the given data. No, when you will arrange the data, afterwards you will select the terms, means whatever the terms are coming, you will select from the arranged data only. Okay, now see that fifth term is beta how much? 32 and then plus 36 or divided by 2. So 6 plus 2, 8 or 3 plus 3, 6, 68 upon 2. It will be 34. So what will be your median? So median will be equal to 34. So in this way you can complete the C part, and C part is your homework from both the questions, question number 1 and question number 2 both. Okay, that part you will do yourself. Afterwards we are going to do the question number 3 now. See that now question number 3 beta. Find the median of first 10 odd natural numbers. Write odd natural numbers. First one is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 or 9. See that maybe all of them they will be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is equal to beta 10. And what is this? Even. Already they are arranged in the ascending order. Okay. These are odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. Okay. Now see that median is equal to n upon 2h term plus n upon 2 plus 1h term divided by 2. So n upon 2 means 10. 10 upon 2h term plus 10 upon 2 plus 1h term divided by 2. So n means it will be fifth term plus 5 plus this will be 5 plus 1, sixth term divided by 2 will be as median. Okay, this will be as median. So fifth term is beta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here these two, fifth and sixth term. So 11 plus 19 divided by 2, it will be 20. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. 2 or plus 1, 3. 30 divided by 2. So what will be your answer? 15 will be as your answer. So in this way you can do the question. Okay. Now moving to the next one. See that beta, sixth term is not 19, it was 9. So by mistake I have written 19 here. So it will be, in case it will 11 plus 9 it will be 20. 20 upon 2 will be 10. So what will be your answer? 10 will be as your answer. So no problem, do in this way. Okay, now come to the question number 4. Find the median of first 15 prime numbers. Okay, see that question number 4 now. Okay, and first 15 prime numbers. Beta, first of all, again whenever the prime numbers are coming, I am repeating them that what are the prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are coming only on in their own table. Okay, means those numbers are not coming in any other table. For example, see that first prime number is 2, then 3, 5, 7, 9 is coming in other tables also. Okay, so 9 is not a prime number. Then 11, 13, 15 is not a prime number. It is coming in 5 table also, in 3 table also, and its own table also. So it will not be prime number. So the 17, 19. Okay, after 19, which one is the 21 is not a prime number. Then 23, 27. 27 is not a prime number, beta. It is coming in 9 table also or in 3 table also. So 23, then 29, then 31. 33 is not a prime number. 35 is also not prime number. 37. Okay, 39 is also not a prime number because it is coming in a table of 13 also. Okay, so 41, 43, 47. Then 49 is not a prime number. 49 is coming in a table of 7 also. But which are the prime numbers? Those are coming only in their own table. Okay, so see that how many of them there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 numbers we have now. Now we have to find that median of these 15. So n is equal to beta. Already the numbers are arranged in ascending order, so no need to arrange them now. N is equal to 15. So 15 is an odd number. Okay, and for odd number another formula is there. So median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2h term. This will be as median. Okay, so see that n means 15 plus 1 upon 2h term. Okay, so 15 beta, 15 plus 1, 16 upon 2, 2h term. Always like the th term. Always. So it will be 8th term. Okay, so 8th term is, otherwise if children are not writing this th term na, so what mistake they are doing? They are, if they are not writing, they are writing 8 and they are their final answer is 8 as median. 8 is not as a median. 8th term is as median. So what will be 8th term now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be median now? So median is equal to 90. So in this way you will do the question beta. Okay, see that now the last question from this exercise, that is question number 5. Now we are going to do that. Now see that beta, question number 5. The age in years of 10 employees of a firm are these ones. Okay, find the median. So how we will do? See it here. First of all, arrange data in ascending order. Okay, so arrange them in ascending order now. First of all, which number will come? Maybe 26 is the smallest one. 26, then 28, then 30, then 32, then 35, afterwards 37. Okay, then after 37, 45, 2 times 45 is there. Yes, 45, 45 and maybe lastly 54 is there. See that now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, somewhere we have 30, 32, then 35, then 37, 27, 26, 26, 28, then 30, then 32, after 32, 35 is there, then 37 is there, then 45 two times is there, and afterwards 54 is there. So 54 is 2 times beta. Okay. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now n is equal to beta. N is equal to 10. And it is even. So apply the formula for the even. So median is equal to n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So n upon 2 means beta 10 upon 2, 2th term, always write this, plus n upon 2 means 10 upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So it will be 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. So 5th term is beta how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th and 6th. See that now. It will be 35 plus 37 divided by 2. So it will be 12, carry 1, 3 plus 3, 6 and 1, 7. 72 upon 2. So it will be 2 8 ja 16. No, sorry. 2 3 ja 6 and 1 will remainder or 2 6 ja 12. So what will be median? Median means middle most term. Median will be as 36. So in this way you can complete the answer. Okay. Beta, don't follow the answer sheet for this one. In your answer sheet, its answer is given wrong. Its answer will come 36 because 35 is written over there, and 35 only it can come when 2 times 35 will be in the given observations. Okay, so here only 135 is there. So 5th term will be 35 and 6th term will be 37. If you will add them, 72 upon 2 is coming, so your median will be 36. So don't follow and don't be confused on your on the basis of the answer sheet. Okay, so whatever we are doing, that is correct, and always keep confidence with you. Okay, because many children are they are being confused and they are writing me, so that's why I am clearing your doubts also, so that you cannot be confused. So enough for today's class beta. Thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.